Here is the before finish. I am out here in Plano today, and I just etched that inside floor and put the shiny stuff that you see is actually the fusion lock. It's still wet. It's going to take it about 10 minutes to cure up. And then, I don't know why I say cure, to dry. And I'm going to finish taping everything while that's drying. But just wanted to give a shot before. And I will. These are little chips that they tried to repair. Outside wall looks really good. Couple little chips right there on the inside, but overall it's not bad. And I will get this all fixed up for them and show you also. This is a good one to show. This is a Watco glue down drain, and you will see what I'm talking about. I have the drain masked off, but that Watco has a silicone glue that goes on the back of it, and then it goes over the drain, sits there for 24 hours to cure up. And of course, it's just got its own stopper, so it opens, but it'll sit right there and look like a brand new drain was installed. Prevents you from breaking underneath where the drain screws into the drainage pipe. There's a story on my website where I broke that. It cost me $1,500 to have the tub jacked up. Not like somebody come in and jack it up. I mean, really, truly jacked up the tub. And the tile fell from around. All the tile just fell down. And so, anyway, it was to replace that little piece of drainage pipe that I broke when I unscrewed that drain. So it's not, that's why I don't touch them there, because then that makes me liable. But I'm happy to put this on for them. No problem at all. I'll do that after I finish. So anyway, I'm glad it happened on my tub and not, I wish it wouldn't have happened at all, but glad it happened on my tub and not somebody else's. But I will have the finished result here in a little bit, and then I'm going to speed dry this stuff and get it dulled back down. And this is what's etching into the old surface right now, and then it'll have the silane in it. The silanes are what's looking so shiny, but I put a ton on there because I just wanted to etch into it really good. You can see where it's already on the bottom, how it started etching, and then that's how it'll look. But anyway, getting there, just wanted to explain what I was doing, and I'll show the end result here in a little bit. So I got everything finished up here. They have 12 mils thick of the polyester porcelain glaze etched into the old surface. And there is that Watco glue down drain we were talking about in the before pictures, and you can see how it just opens. Just let it cure up. If it's here whenever I do the tub, I'm happy to put it on for you. And then once the tub's cured tomorrow, this will be cured tomorrow about 5 o'clock, the drain will be ready to go also. And then of course I did all the way to the floor. This is a cultured marble bathtub, and it is actually cracked on this back wall. So I'm going to get this refinished for them, and I'm going to go ahead and do it down to the floor here. And that's just a caulking line because these front panels pull off. So I'm going to get that done for them. And then I'll mask off back here and get this other little extra shelf done too. So it all look nice and uniform. And of course, I will have an update shortly. Alright, and everything is finished up. Got all the way around there, and of course everything done on the bottom. Outside wall, completely done. I think they'll be very, very happy with it. And that has a tiny bit of slip resistant, but honestly not much at all, because this isn't a shower, it's a jetted tub. And I didn't want anything on there that would impede their ability to use it like that. So But anyway, it is all finished up.